the playground adventure. Once upon a time, in a bright green meadow, lived two best friends, Harry the Hare and Toby the Tortoise. Harry was quick as lightning, and Toby was slow and steady, but they loved spending time together. One sunny morning, Harry zoomed up to Toby's house. Toby, are you ready for an adventure?" Toby poked his head out of his shell. "Hello, Harry. What kind of adventure?" "The best kind. The playground adventure." Harry hopped excitedly. "Come on, let's go." Toby smiled wide and slowly started his journey. Harry patiently hopped beside him until they reached the big, colorful playground. When they got there, they cheered. All their friends were already playing. There was Gigi the giraffe, tall and graceful, Monty the monkey, swinging from everything, Clara the cat, napping in the sun, Danny the dog, wagging his tail, and tiny Mimi the mouse, exploring the sandpit. "Harry, Toby, you made it," shouted Monty the monkey. The playground buzzed with fun. Harry and Toby were so happy they had come. First, they all took turns on the big, curvy slide. Gigi the giraffe had to duck her long neck to climb the steps. Then Harry pushed Toby high on the swing, making Toby giggle until his shell rattled. Monty showed off his tricks on the monkey bars, while Danny the dog happily chased the fallen leaves. After a while, they played a big game of hide-and-seek. Harry was the first to hide, darting behind a huge oak tree. Toby took his time finding a spot under the bouncy seesaw. Since he was so slow, Toby didn't get far, but he was the best at staying still. As the sun began to paint the sky orange and pink, their tummies started rumbling. It was time to go home. "That was the best day ever," sighed Harry, giving Toby a high five, a low five for Toby. "It really was," Toby agreed. "I can't wait to do it again." Waving goodbye to Gigi, Monty, Clara, Danny, and Mimi, the two friends headed home happy, tired, and already dreaming of their next playground adventure. The end.